In CompTIA, you're going to come across the term overclocking. Overclocking is the action of increasing the component's clock rate or bus speed above the manufacturer's recommended or factory speed. This often is on the BIOS level or on the software level. Typically, this applies to the central processing unit or CPU, graphics processing unit GPU, or the random access memory RAM. Overclocking aids the components to perform better by making sure that the operations per second is increased, and thus improving the performance and throughput. Many gamers want to squeeze as much performance out of their components as possible for free. Unfortunately, there are a few disadvantages which you need to consider before overclocking. In many cases, overclocking will invalidate your warranty, so be very careful of that. Always check with the manufacturer whether overclocking is something that they support. Most manufacturers will not support overclocking, but there are a few friendly gaming components which allow you to overclock without invalidating the warranty, so definitely check with that first. Also, within the case, you're going to have additional heat build-up, primarily with the processor and with the RAM and with the GPU. The GPU and the processor especially, the increased heat as your performance is increases, the heat build-up will increase also. So take that into consideration, that if you're trying to keep your system to a certain temperature within the case, the temperature is likely to increase. In many cases, overclocking will also reduce the lifespan of the component itself due to the increased heat and voltage which is going through the component itself. So that's overclocking. If that question comes up in your CompTIA exam, that's how you deal with it.